You are running 5 minutes late, digging through a dark, messy backpack for a crumpled, coffee-stained piece of paper holding your schedule. By the time you finally find it, you sprint down the hall, only to discover your first period class was relocated to the science wing 20 minutes ago. Trying to memorize room numbers or relying on printouts from week 1 creates a chain reaction of confusion. Students miss important morning announcements, and parents are left without a clear way to verify their child's location throughout the day. The digital timetable module replaces that unreliable paper trail with a dynamic schedule accessible from any device. We are going to navigate this interface together so you can track your daily classes with real-time accuracy. Once we have your view configured, we will export a personalized offline backup in under 2 minutes. Moving to a digital format ensures that the schedule you are looking at is always the most current version. If a room assignment or teacher changes, the dashboard updates automatically, so you are never relying on outdated information. Step 1 is getting to your schedule. After logging into your portal, look directly to the primary navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Before diving into today's classes, it is crucial to verify the integrity of your entire week. Checking your top-line data first ensures you aren't missing any required periods. In the top stat cards, ensure total periods matches the assigned box for your weekly workload. On the right, a zero conflicts counter confirms no double bookings. Directly beneath is the grid view mapping your academic week. Confirming those top-line metrics first guarantees you are operating from a structurally sound schedule, preventing you from following conflicting data midway through the term. Finding your immediate next step is simple. The interface auto-focuses on your current day with a bright teal Today badge. Inside each class cell, you are given exactly what you need to orient yourself. The hierarchy reads from top to bottom. Your subject title is bolded first, followed by your teacher's name, and concluding with the precise room number. Because this system syncs in real time, any administrative changes to that room or teacher reflect immediately on your screen. There is no need to manually refresh the page. The horizontal grid gives a great broad overview, but it can be difficult to read if you are scrolling quickly on a mobile phone between classes. To fix that, look above the main schedule to the top right corner. Here, you can switch the layout from grid to list. This converts the schedule into a streamline format. The days are now grouped as vertical blocks, allowing you to scroll naturally from top to bottom through your daily routine. By separating how your schedule looks from how it is stored, you can consume this exact same data in whichever layout best fits your device and environment. Even with full cloud access in your pocket, having a physical backup pinned to a locker or a kitchen refrigerator is a practical necessity. Navigate to the top right quadrant of the interface, where you will find the Download PDF and Print buttons. Clicking either of these generates a clean, formatted document that permanently captures the real-time data currently displayed on your screen. You now have a system built on real-time accuracy, multi-device accessibility, and complete transparency for parents monitoring from home. You have successfully mastered your digital schedule. Those confusing blind spots and missing classroom assignments are eliminated. If you are an institutional decision-maker looking to implement this system for your own student body, check the resources linked below. Mastering the digital timetable removes the daily friction of simply figuring out where you need to be. It creates an automated, invisible foundation, leaving you free to focus entirely on your academic success.